Are you determined to get healthier this year, maybe lose some weight, get better shape, but you're one of those who's starting at ground zero, where the standard exercises like a squat, a push up, a plank, they all just seem impossible to do? You have to start somewhere. So I'm going to give you some options to the squat. If you can't get out of a chair, what you can do is stand in front of a wall, little ways out. You're going to sit back like you're going to sit down. The wall is going to protect you from falling, so you don't have to worry about that. It's also going to make sure that you do the proper form where your weight is over your heels, and then you're just going to stand back up. And if you need to, if you are that to the point, you can use a hand to help push you off that wall. Try to concentrate on driving through the heels and using the leg, but it's okay to use a hand. Push-ups, same thing. Stand a little ways away from that wall. Put your hands a little bit lower than your shoulders. Keep those abs in. And just bring not all the way, so you arch your back, just in towards that wall where you can, and then push back out. Same thing for the plank. Put your elbows there, walk those feet out, pull those abs in, and just hold. Make sure you don't do this. Hold those abs right here. Eventually, you'll be able to go to a chair and lower and lower. Give it a try and let me know.